So students, now it's time for the activity. See, here I have some cutouts of parts of the body, and here on the chart paper I have drawn the parts of the body. Okay. So now tell me, what is this? This is your leg. Now tell me, where is your leg over here in the poster? Is this your leg? No. Is this your leg? Okay. Is this your leg? Yes, this is your leg. Now what is this? This is your nose. Now tell me, where is nose over here? Is it your nose? No? Then this is your nose, right? No. Where is your nose? Your nose is here. Can you see? Now what is this? This is your mouth. Now tell me, where is your mouth? Where is your mouth? Is this right? No. Yes. See students, this is your mouth and this is your lips. This is your mouth and this is your lips. Okay. What is this? What is this, students? Yes, this is your eyes. Now you tell me, where is the eyes? Very good. What are those? This is your ears. Where is your ears? Is this your ear? No. This is your ears. And what is this? This is your hand. Okay, students. So these are all your parts of the body. So students, now it's time for the GA books, that is General Awareness Skill Sheets, and open your page number 21. Which page number? 21. So here write today's date, that is C.W 7-7. Students, this is our today's date. Now read here. Match the body parts with the things they use. Means, see students, there are some body parts given over here. This is eye, nose, hand, leg, mouth and head. So students, these are the body parts जिसने हमने already देखे है उसका क्या क्या use होता है. Now here you have to match with these things. What is there over here? This is flower, that is rose flower, chocolate, sock, hand gloves, cap and goggles. Okay, so ये सारे जो मटेरियल्स हैं यहाँ पे उसको हम हमारे कौन से बॉडी पार्ट्स को यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज दिस? आई. सो व्हाट वी डू विथ अवर आई? क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग इसमें से? वी सी. ओके, जब बहुत धूप होती है तो व्हाट वी वेयर? वी वेयर गोगल्स. और गोगल्स कहाँ पहनते हैं हम? वी वेयर इट ऑन अवर आई. सो ड्रॉ वन स्ट्रेट लाइन टू गोगल्स. ओके, what is this? This is your hand. Now tell me, what are the materials which you can use for your hand? क्या कर सकते हैं हम? क्लैप. क्लैप करते हो? फिर यहाँ पे तो क्लैप है ही नहीं. We wear hand gloves. हैंड ग्लोव्स कहाँ पहनते हैं? We wear it on our hand. So मैच करो यहाँ पे. What we do with our mouth? रोज खा सकते हैं? रोज खाते हैं हम? नो. कैप खाते हैं? नो. चॉकलेट खाते हैं?
Yes.
Yes. So match it with the chocolate. Very good. What we do with our nose? सॉक सूंघते हैं? नो. रोज को स्मेल करते हैं?
Yes.
So match it over here. Very good. What is this? This is your leg. और leg कैप पहनते हो लेग के ऊपर या फिर सॉक्स पहनते हो?
Socks.
Socks. So we will match here. Very good. What we do on the head? Whenever you go out when there is very hot, what you do? You wear cap. Very good, students. So you have to complete this whole page at home. Okay students, now turn your page and page number 2323. Which date? 2323. What is written over here? Clean your body. इसका मतलब है how you have to keep your body neat and clean. आपको आपकी body का care कैसे करना है. So students, write here today's date, that is C.W 7-7. So this is your today's date. Now listen here. Circle the object used for the activity shown. See, can you see there are some pictures drawn over here? Okay. तो उसमें आपको क्या क्या चीज़ यूज़ होती है. लाइक वाइल बाथिंग, जब आप नहाने जाते हो तब आपको कोम चाहिए होता है.
No.
You want brush when you go for bath.
No.
You need soap when you go for bath.
Yes.
You need soap. So you have to circle your soap. Okay. Now wash your hands. What we need to wash our hands? Do we need water? Do we need comb या फिर ब्रश? क्या चाहिए हमको हैंड वॉश करने के लिए? क्या इम्पॉर्टेंट है सोप के साथ? यू नीड वाटर. तो सर्कल दिस वाटर. What you need to brush your teeth? आपको कितनी बार ब्रश करना है? You have to brush twice a day. तो आप कैसे यूज करोगे? आप ब्रश कैसे करोगे? How will you brush your teeth? With the soap?
No.
With the water?
No.
With the toothbrush?
Yes.
We have to use our toothbrush. Students, how many times we have to brush our teeth? Twice a day. How many times?
Twice a day.
Okay, very good. Now comb your hair. What you need to comb your hair? Do you need your soap to comb your hair?
No.
Do you need water to comb your hair?
No.
You need comb. आपको क्या चाहिए? Comb. Okay students, so this page also you have to do at home. Okay, stay home, stay safe, bye.